Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward topic: how to cancel your Costco credit card in 2025. Whether you're switching to a new rewards program, cutting back on spending, or just simplifying your finances, canceling your card doesn't have to be complicated. I'll walk you through the steps in a clear, easy to follow way, so you can get it done quickly and confidently. First off, before you dive in, take a moment to review your account. Log into your Costco credit card account through the Citi website or app. Remember, Costco cards are issued by Citi. Check your current balance, any pending transactions, and outstanding payments. This ensures there are no surprises, like fees or rewards you're about to forfeit. If you have an annual fee coming up, canceling now might save you money. Now, let's get to the main steps. Step 1. Contact customer service. You can call the number on the back of your card or find it on the Citi website. It's best to do this during business hours for a smoother experience. When you reach an agent, they'll ask for your account details to verify your identity. Have your card number, social security number, and personal info ready. Step 2. Clearly state your intention to cancel. Be polite but firm. They might try to talk you out of it with offers or incentives, but stay focused on your decision. Step 3. Discuss any final details, like paying off your balance. Make sure to settle any debts before finalizing, as this could affect your credit score if left unpaid. Once that's done, Step 4. Get confirmation. Ask for a verbal confirmation over the phone and request an email or written notice for your records. This protects you in case of any disputes later. A few quick tips. If you have rewards or cashback pending, redeem them first. Also, keep an eye on your credit report in the following months to ensure the account is properly closed. And remember, canceling might impact your credit utilization, so plan accordingly. There you have it. That's how to cancel your Costco credit card in 2025. It's a simple process, but always double-check everything to avoid headaches. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.